I recently tried the Dr. Ceuracle Vegan BHA and Matcha Ampoule, and I'm really impressed with its performance. First off, I love the sturdy, chubby little bottle it comes in. It's both cute and practical. The green shade of the packaging is soothing, much like the product itself. I've been using this ampule primarily on my T-zone, where my skin tends to get oily and breakout prone. The formula contains 0.5% BHA, which is a gentle yet effective exfoliant for removing excess sebum and blackheads. It's ideal for those who want to minimize breakouts without irritating their skin. I've noticed a reduction in oiliness and fewer clogged pores since incorporating it into my routine. What stands out most about this product is its soothing properties. The Jeju matcha extract works wonders in calming redness and inflammation. After application, the ampule feels slightly tacky, but it dries down quickly without leaving any residue or stickiness. My skin feels refreshed and balanced, and the lightweight, watery consistency absorbs easily. In addition to the BHA, the peptide complex helps with pore elasticity and overall skin regeneration. My skin looks healthier and more glowy after consistent use. It's also great to know that the formula is free of alcohols, essential oils, silicones, sulfates, and parabens, making it a safe choice for sensitive skin. Overall, this ampule is a fantastic option for those with oily or irritated skin looking for a gentle yet effective daily treatment. I highly recommend giving it a try.